Isn't it?
Yeah.
It is beautiful out here.
It is. I am shocked.
And really hate to leave Florida today.
And we're wearing our Disney World t-shirt.
Yeah.
Leaving Florida.
Yeah. Didn't go to Disney World this go around. All right. We got the...
our bike.
Yeah, I got our bikes all...
Triple track.
Yep. Yep. Blaine did good.
Yes, you did. We did a fantastic job packing our car.
Yep. All right. Pre-flight check. Looks like we still have 4 tires. It's hard to leave this place.
It is.
I mean, the weather is just gorgeous. I can see why people love it down here. Anyway, we got about a 5-hour drive from here to Anniston. It's probably going to take us 7 hours because we like to take the path less traveled. We like to take some of the back roads at times.
We like scenery.
We like it scenery.
If I don't fall asleep on him, which I do most of the time.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll see. But I am definitely looking forward to Chief Ladiga tomorrow. I'm a little concerned about the weather.
It's supposed to rain today, but we're hoping tomorrow the trail's not going to be too wet and too muddy for us. So,
yeah,
fingers crossed.
Yeah, and also cold temperature. You know, we kind of got spoiled down here. I mean, the run was 15K was a little bit.
You reminded me about the temperature difference because we're going traveling back north, and I'm so used to the weather down here now. It's like, hello.
Yep. We will see how this goes.
Looking forward to it.
Oh man, well good morning all. We are finally here at the Chief Ladiga Trailhead, and man, what a great night's sleep. I don't know.
I think the mattress is amazing.
Yeah, kudos to the Hampton Inn in Oxford, Anniston, here in Alabama. Oh man, it was so comfortable.
We bump into lots of bikers staying at
That's right.
Mountain bikers.
That's right. Lots of mountain bikers. There's some type of race going on over in the Stone Mountain.
Mm-hmm. They started yesterday and they continue today, actually, they said.
Yep. So I bet we'll see some of them out here probably. Mm-hmm. But man, it's a gorgeous day. It was actually quite foggy driving over here.
But it was pretty cool. It's cleared up a little bit since we got here, I think.
Yeah, so then it's about 55, 54, 53 degrees, something like that. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes.
I was surprised that here they still have some fall colors on their trees and bushes, which is kind of amazing. In December, almost Christmas.
Yep. So, all right. You ready?
I am excited.
All right, let's do it. right, so here we are on the Chief Ladiga Trail. We made it 25 miles, and we're going to turn around here. We're close to the end, 8 miles from the end, but it's going to get dark at 4:30, and neither one of us wants to be riding in the dark. And we also want to enjoy the ride back and take some pictures. And
Yeah, it's going to take us longer to get back since we're going to be stopping quite a few times to take some pictures. Next time we come down, we're going to stay at night in the museum B&B in Piedmont. And
you want to stay there, huh?
Yes, I do.
All right, we'll put that on our agenda of things to do. I don't see a problem with that. And my God, this is so nice. So just shh. It's just nature, and
I hear
love
somewhere
that.
there's like water, maybe, or is it just me?
I don't know. Maybe I'm peeing.
Anyway, we got to head back now, so we'll see you when we
That's
finish.
Right. Bye. Woohoo!
We did it!
End of Chief Ladiga Trail.